Good afternoon, everyone. Astha here from Ace Update Magazine. Today we have Mr. Aditya Sharma sir, who is country head for KPT Pipes. Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
It's great interacting with you. How has the evolution of materials like plastic or composite materials influenced the design and performance of pipe and fitting in recent years?
Basically, see, the plastic is from the very beginning of this world as well, right? The evolution, you can say, in piping industry is generally from the galvanized iron to the plastic. Generally, we don't call it as plastic because what we use is a thermoplastic. Thermoplastic is basically a back engineering of crude oil. So if you see the evolution, yes, in KPT pipes we have done a three-layer piping. In the aluminium, if you talk about, we are the only manufacturers in the India market as well in the Asia, I think so, who are using the aluminium in the middle layer of pipe, which enhances the productivity of product or pipes. Which, I mean, if you talk technically, it is the pressure resistance of the pipe has increased, the temperature resistance has increased. So conventionally, whatever we were using, whether it was galvanized iron, steel, copper, this thermoplastic has surpassed everything.
Can you elaborate on the role of smart technologies in enhancing the efficiency and sustainability of plumbing system using your products?
Conventionally, if you see, there were threads and solvents which were being used, to manufacture, to join the pipes. The evolution has made that there was a heat fusion technology. This has led no solvents, no chemicals, a complete hygiene for your product, and that is being followed. I mean, this, if you talk about the PPR pipes precisely, this is a German technology, and the Germans almost 4 decades back they have removed that solvent and cement from their pipes, and the new technology is the fusion welding. So fusion welding, what we are also supplying to the market. This is how, I mean, you can say that this is the best evolution in the piping technology.
Sir, so what strategies does your company employ to ensure compliances with environmental regulation and promote sustainable practices in plumbing solutions?
We are completely into the following these procedures. The net zero is what our primary focus is, and the carbon decarbonization. And the best part of PPR pipes is once they are installed, I mean, after 40 years or 50 years of their lifespan, they can be reused, so it is not causing any harmful impact to the environment. So yes, we are following that guidelines.
That's great, sir. What are the key consideration architects and developers should keep in mind when selecting pipes and fitting projects for aiming for green building certifications?
See, for the green building, I'll talk about later. But first of the things, what architects and everybody should consider as of now is, right now the most important factor, which everybody is facing the issues as of now, is the leakage part. Our pipe is basically a leak-proof technology. When you're doing the joints, if it has to leak, it will leak there and then only. If not, it will not leak for another 50 years. This is widely being accepted across the globe. I mean, India and the US are the two markets which are using the technology for piping, which includes solvents and cements. But in India, KPT Pipes is the only manufacturer who is promoting PPR pipes, which includes fusion joints, and that has no leakages, no solvents involved, no chemicals, so no carcinogenic elements will go to your body. So the architects, the consultants, precisely the MEB consultants, they have to follow this procedure. And for the green building, yes, once there is no leakage, once there is concealed piping, everything is going as per the green structure.
Nice, sir. How do you address the balance between innovation and reliability in developing new products and solutions for the pipes and fitting market?
See, innovation is everywhere. Every day you have to do the new innovations. The reliability always depends when you are doing a new R&D, right? So if you talk about KPT pipes, we have recently developed a new, I mean, we have done an R&D, which is a composite pipe in PPR. Whole of the world is using the composite pipe in polyethylene, but we are the only manufacturers which have came up with PPR and aluminum piping in the middle. Now, I mean, how this is impacting and how it is better than the other, in the all other pipings, whether which we generally called as the PEX composite, you have to use the push fittings. The jointing part is not that strong, which you can get in the PPR pipes. So yes, R&D, the innovation always comes with the reliability.
So, sir, what are the major challenges do you focus or do you face while doing your new projects or adapting new technologies?
The issues and the problems, not exactly the problems, was the man force, right? The work labor that was not so educated, and now the India is getting developed. Our product needs electricity. So 15 years back there was challenges. There were challenges which includes that there were no electricity at the sites. But now the government has changed the rules. When you are constructing anything, you need electricity power connection prior to your construction. So all those challenges are now getting off of from the market. Labor is still one of the challenge, and to overcome that, we are educating the plumbers. We are doing the plumber training sessions across the India. So we are overcoming that situation as well now.
Great, sir. That's it from my side. Do you want to add something about your product?
I just want to convey a message to the general public. Whenever you are buying, when you are constructing your home, piping comes only 5% of the total cost, and we always focus on the the things which are shown to us. I mean, the faucets, the seats. If you consider only the your washroom and the kitchen, we just see the things which are displayed. We don't go to the background of that. So eventually, if you talk about nowadays, if you're constructing in a tier 2 or tier 3 city, your home, it costs you almost 1.5 cr, 2 cr. And if there is a leakage happened in your washrooms or in your kitchen, then you have to remove all your tiles, all your faucets, everything. So don't go by my experience, don't go by my knowledge, don't follow whatever I'm saying. Go to the YouTube. Today is a techie world. Just follow, just see which is what things are good for you, what is not good for you. Just study and then only use it, because piping is the backbone of your home. So I just want to convey this message.
Thank you so much, sir. It's great interacting.